Let's play a game where we explore exciting professions that start with the letter H. A hydrologist is a scientist who studies water, like how it travels through rivers, lakes, and underground. They help us understand and solve problems like floods, droughts, and making sure there's enough clean water for people, animals, and plants to survive. A hotel manager is the person in charge of making sure a hotel runs smoothly. They help guests feel welcome, organize the staff, and make sure everything, like rooms and food, is ready for people to enjoy during their stay. A horticulturist is a scientist who grows and takes care of plants, like flowers, fruits, and vegetables. They help make gardens beautiful, improve crops, and teach others how to grow plants in healthy ways. A housekeeper is a person who cleans and organizes places like hotels or homes. They make sure everything is neat, tidy, and ready for people to enjoy, like changing bed sheets, vacuuming, and wiping down surfaces. Thank you.